Well, transformation, it's get ahead. You know, like the water when is a little pond and nothing flows in. You know, boom, sooner or later it's gonna stink. Okay, so you have to change. People got to move on. They got to come up with new ideas, new things, new way to create things. And I think Tenaris, for me, is a blessing for this town because they're not just my customer, but over the years they become my friends.
Transformation for me, especially in a positive way, is to embrace all accomplishments, but most importantly, accept mistakes and failure. I think by learning by those two things, the outcome for a transformation will be much stronger.
Transformation means to me that learning from my own mistakes and making myself better so that I don't do that, and making sure that the right material gets to the rig at the right time, the right place, and is never late.
Transformation means that we are able to meet local demand with local solutions. And it also showcases our commitment to the Canadian operations, local communities, and the Canadian economy.
Transformation to me is a process of continuous quality improvement. It's something we need to do at Sault College, and it's certainly something we see taking place at Tenaris, this continual investment, quality improvement, and a process of change that is benefiting not only our community, but the organization at large.
We are proud of the commitment of the transformation that Tenaris is doing towards the environment, reducing 30% of CO2 emissions by 2030.
And so we see the great transformation that is taking place at Tenaris, but also the effects that it has on our community, which are very positive.
The people from Tenaris, I think they did something great for the town. They're helping the community, they create jobs.
They've contributed to the Sault Area Hospital. They've contributed to programs at the college. Here in our robotics lab, they have made investments to help prepare our young people for the jobs of the future.
We work with our Canadian customers to help them, to support them with their development of the resources within Alberta. This ultimately helps meet the world's energy demand and supports the Canadian economy.
As far as transformation and working for Tenaris, I'd like to see Canada grow into the global market, meet its demand elsewhere. It's a great feeling knowing that Tenaris operates from coast to coast.